Good morning, South Houston Intermediate. Today is Friday, January 8th. I know it's the first week back. Things have been a little rough this week, but after working hard this week, we hope you have a good weekend. One of the things we need to talk about is self-screening. If you come to school, before you come to school and before you come in the building, you need to check to see if you have any of these symptoms. If you have any of these symptoms, you should not be coming to school. You need to communicate with one of the principals, either myself or Miss Ward, or call the school and talk to our school nurse to see what needs to happen next. The deadline for early college and CTHS is today. Today is the deadline to apply for early college and CTHS. So if that's something that you're interested in, today is the day. One more thing before we let you guys go. Next week, we are going to be starting DIY, our do-it-yourself day. So during your science class on Monday, you'll be going to the cafeteria. Science teachers, today, could you do a quick explanation for those kids who are new here on campus to explain what DIY is and what needs to get accomplished when we're down there in the cafeteria? Besides that, we hope you have a good day today. We'll see you on Monday.